We are going to talk about HPV vaccination. HPV vaccinations, okay. So the recommended time for first dose is age 11 to 12. This is the recommended time for first dose, but can be given at age 9 to 26 years old. In children age less than 15, only 2 doses are required because their immune response is more vigorous. Only 2 doses are required. But if patient age is 15 or more, then 3 doses are required. 3 doses are required. And another thing I'd like to tell you that if there is a history of prior sexual activity, then is this contraindication for HPV vaccine? No. If even a patient has prior sexual activity, it is not a contraindication. So although the vaccine may be less effective in sexually active patients who have already been infected with HPV, it should still be administered to protect against HPV strains. Okay? Because there are many other HPV strains. So even if it is you think that patient has prior history of HPV or prior history of genital warts, despite that you have to give HPV vaccine. Okay, because there are many strains. Even if it is infected, patient is infected with one strain, vaccine may be effective. Okay, because there may be there are many strains of HPV. Okay, so indications are all girl or women age 11 to 26, and for boys and men age 11 to 21. And if the boy is sexually active with boy, or men who have sex with men, then up to age 26. Okay, otherwise if patient is heterosexual, then only age 11 to 21. Otherwise if homosexual, then up to age 26. Okay, and for immunocompromised individuals including HIV patients age 11 to 26, it means up to 26-year-old you can give HPV vaccine in immunocompromised and who are male sexually active with male. Okay, and it is not indicated in pregnant women. Not indicated in pregnant women. Okay, so you guys comment down why it is not indicated in pregnant women. Is it teratogenic or what is the reason? You comment down. Okay, and I will reply you. Okay, and as I have already told you, it is indicated in girl and women age 11 to 26, including those with history of genital warts, abnormal cytology, or positive HPV DNA test. Okay.